Hey guys, it's Tuesday, March the 5th. Hope everybody's doing well. Hope you're having a good start to your trading week. Like I said yesterday, we're going to be having news. We had news today here in the U.S. Going to be a Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Also going to have the CAD news on Friday. So a lot of news this week. They can move the market on those two. So if you're into any of those two tied to those currencies, just be careful. Starting tomorrow, there should be a move leading up to the unemployment report for the U.S. Sometimes it starts in the morning. Lots of times it starts in the afternoon, late afternoon. And then that'll carry over until Friday. So we're going to start out with, thank you for the new subscribers too. Appreciate that. I got a couple yesterday. Thank you guys for that. For those of you who subscribe and those who haven't, please do it. Just lets me know that I'm helping people with the trading education. What we have to say is just trading education. The pound dollar has made a 1 hour sell and it just sold off. Didn't give you a chance to get in. So if you're going to sell this with the stop at these arrows right there at that high, you need a push up in here for it to sell off. And I make a low risk trade. Right now it's at 127.04 and that high was 34. So that's 30 plus the spread, so you're looking at $34 risk right now. That's why you want a little bit more push up. At least another 15-20 pips would make it a low risk trade to get in. So that's what I'm going to be looking for anyway, is that. Aussie dollar made a buy and it's made a move up and back down. I told you yesterday about that candle that usually those get filled in about halfway. There was the halfway one, but it decided to come and took the whole thing out, went lower, and then it turned around. There's nothing to do on this trade, the Aussie dollar. If you're going to buy it, it's got to come back down into here. So you can't really sell it right now either. On the Aussie dollar, the pound CAD has made a 1 hour sell. I'm looking to get into this one. This high on the arrows is 72.77 basically, and we're at 71, almost 72. So that's about a $437 risk, $7.50 risk right now. But I'm gonna wait till Asia session starts because this could gap up or down. If it gaps up, it's probably going to take out that high, and there's nothing to do on that. But I am looking for a sell opportunity if it can push down there. The pound yen made a 1 hour sell, and that was on Monday afternoon, and it's continued. The sell has continued down. You missed this one, so there's nothing to do in this. If you did want to get in, this arrow, this candle right here would have to be your stop. On the pound yen. Euro New Zealand made a 1 hour sell. It's sold off pretty good. It's come back up. There is no, it's still too far away. 183, yep, too far away for the resistance, yearly resistance. It's got over 500 left. So there's not anything to do right now unless you wanted to sell it. Then that is your stop, that high of that candle. Pound New Zealand has got the same picture. It just didn't go as low, but there is a sell opportunity right there. But it's like it hit it 1, 2, 3 times up here. I don't really like it when it does that. That does, some people say it does mean rejection. I've seen too many of these push on up. If you did want to take this sell, pound CAD, that stop right there on those arrows is your stop loss. So it would be a low risk trade. It might be worth taking because that high was 208.83 and we're at 69, so that's 14, so that's 20 pip risk right now, which is not bad. I like it a little bit less, but it is not bad, because I'm actually would put my stop at the high right here, because that's pretty close to that already. If it takes that out, then it's probably going higher, so I'm going to reduce my risk. So I'm going to look at selling this right where it's at, and that's my stop, selling at 69. That high is 81, 82. So that is $16 risk. So $16 risk right now on the pound New Zealand. New Zealand yen sold off. It came back down to where it broke off right there on the New Zealand yen for a long. And I'm in this one, except I didn't get this candle. I got down here. After that closed is when I got in. So I'm up a little bit, but not a whole lot. But it's not up to, it's got to get to 25, which would be 44, about right up in here, before I can take half the profit off. And of course my stop loss is right here. So it's a very low risk trade. New Zealand yen, the Euro Aussie is in a sell. It kind of ran off right here. Would like to see a little push up somewhere into here to be able to sell it. It may go up into there somewhere right in there. Nothing to do on this yet. It's too far away. The risk is too great. Euro CAD is about to make a high. Yeah, I wouldn't want to take that. What's that high? High of the arrows is 147.61, and we're trading. It's gone as high as 59.6. So it would be a low risk trade if you got in right now. That's the stop, and that's on the Euro CAD. The pound Aussie is in a sell. You had a couple of opportunities, plus one right there, to get in short on the pound Aussie. But let's see, it's got a ways to go before its yearly resistance. On the CAD yen, it come down into its buy. This is another one I got in. Again, I didn't get in until the close of this candle, so I'm in down here, and again I can't get in. It's got to go up to 50. It's got to go up to 50 before I can take this off. Half of it, I should say half. And that low right there is my stop loss. So I'm in the CAD yen, I'm in the New Zealand yen, and what was the other one? New Zealand yen, CAD yen. Oh, that was it. Looking to get in the pound. No, the pound CAD. Yep, pound CAD. I'm in that short because that's a low risk trade. I knew there was three. Let's see. It was a CAD yen, Euro yen. It's in a short. You had several right in through there, and even up into here would have still been a low risk trade. That little poke up right there. But I'm looking for it to do like the others, to come down back into here and then be a buy. So there's nothing to do on the Euro yen, not anything. And the Aussie yen came back into its buy. I didn't want to be in any more yen. I'm not in this one. I could have got in this one 3 different times, but because I'm in the New Zealand yen and the CAD yen, I don't want to overexpose to the yen. These want to be short-term trades, because at any time the Japanese bank could step in and spike the CAD down and the US and Aussie and Europe, and I don't want to be in too many of those, so I'm going to take quick profit on those that I'm in, the New Zealand yen and the CAD yen. So that's it for today. For those of you who haven't subscribed or if you like the trading education I'm providing for you to be able to trade swing trading like I do, it's not day trading, even though at times there could be a trade during the day. Not every day, but sometimes during the day. I do trade the Asian session. I look for setups in there too, and exits as well. But I'll have another video tomorrow. This one will be posted in about 20 minutes. So you guys have a good night.